Ka Rotary Club Jowai kalapan skemi kinongkit kam bathamai na kabenta ka samay tri kam jong usnam arja arprio arja arpnyo ha ka jingalang kabalalong ha ka janmiet jong ka arpkandai trik naitung. Ha ka nika sngi ladon lang urotirin Dr. Mrinal Borthakur, MS Assistant Governor RI District kum ukongsan ha ka jingalang kabalapia arbenta balapenya da urotirin ar nong tudu RFSM President Arja Apusan adu Arja Apnrio but Rotirin Eskelato MPHF incoming President Rotary Club Jowai Arja Apnrio Arja Apnyo. Katkum ka dustur ka Rotary International u Rotarian JM Posngap PHF ulalong kum u Master of Ceremony balayu kikintian pedang buram na Rotarian AA Shulai RFSM bat ka jingkren aimen sim na Rotarian ar nong tudu RFSM President Arja Apusan Arja Apnrio. U Rotarian Eskelato haga jingkren ulayat ho eki artlik kam kiba labu thong bantrei haga ne samai kan thop kibaya debat ka puli puthi kamaryang na lor ka koi kya. U Rotarian Dr. Mrinal Borthakur MS Assistant Governor RI District kum ukongsan ulayat ho syapang ka Rotary International kum ka seng kaba imsngi bantrei hagi spasnam na kabenta ka bhakamiat bat ka jimentoy ka imlang saklang hakalengkiri ka perthai. Kinongkit kam batmai ka Rotary Club Jowai na kabenta usnam Arja Apnrio Arja Apnyo hapo ka jingalam Rotarian SK Lato MPHF President bat Rotarian RE Lalu Secretary Kilong Rotarian AA Shulai Vice President Rotarian Dawan Biam Joint Secretary Rotarian Jasper Eastlong Treasurer Rotarian EE Lalu Club Bulletin Editor Rotarian Montri Pasa Director International Service Rotarian DF Majau Director Vocational Service Rotarian Ashish Kumar Singh Director Community Service Rotarian Stanley Roy Muli Director Literacy Service Rotarian VH Pala Fundraising Project Rotarian EF Gatpo MPHF Foundation Club Trainer Rotarian R Nongtudu Director Youth Service Rotarian Same Hilalu Executive Secretary Rotarian Debor Mitoy Service Project Rotarian JM Posngap PHF Membership Chair Rotarian Fencing Serti Club Learning Facilitator Rotarian Kiki Pakma Public Image Chair.
RC Jowai is not just a single club, it is part of a family of Rotary International. This, for those who may not know, this Rotary International was started in the year 1905. So you can very well imagine for more than 100 years this Rotary is prevalent all over the world, including a place like Jowai in Meghalaya. That is the beauty of Rotary. People come to Rotary to give in whatever possible way, something to the community. Each Rotarian is silently working in the community. We may not know so many achievements of the club, but the credit goes to each Rotarian of the club. Small, it may look small, but these things are not known to the community. And that is why State Governor has emphasized on public image. We have to tell the community what we are doing. Because people are thinking that Rotarians are sitting every week in the club, drinking and having fellowship. But that is not the case. We are doing so many things silently. These things has to be exposed and told to the world. Vivekananda, one of India's greatest philosophers, once said, when you help someone, do not think you are obliging him or her. In fact, it is he or she who is obliging you by giving you an opportunity to give back something to this world from where we receive so much. So that is the essence. When we are helping someone, it is not that, oh, we are doing some great thing. No. It is the receiver who is obliging us to do something for him. That is the greatest thing.
Jowai. This is the first function. It means to be. We exchange our seat, exchange our position from the old team to new team. And before I say that, I'm very happy to have in our midst today this evening Rotary Dr. Waterford, who is our chief guest today. At the same time, Rotary Waterford was one immediate past assistant governor of the 3240. And he was also the past president of this club, comes from the Rotary Club of Heritage Law. And also, I either in the healthcare, educational, or even vocational. Vocational means to promote person in their vocation. So you have also mentioned. So the member of Rotary Club, they are people who are selfless. They don't do anything for their self. They are not self-centered. They are giving just this to serve others. Because that's where our theme. The real happiness of life is to serve others. You say, well, it's just like somewhere we are having this. And that's actually is a source of happiness to one life, everyone. So for your information, my dear friends, the Rotary Club, Rotary International is the constituent of the Rotary International. And recently, Rotary International is governing in 200 plus 8 countries. To be precise, I think today we have more than 212 countries across the globe with the Rotary Board exists. Rotary Club exists in 210 countries. And we are having a member of 1.1 million today. And we are having the Rotary International number of clubs, to be precise, 37,000 number of clubs, Rotary Club across the globe. And Jowai Rotary Club is one of the 37,000 clubs in the world. And not only that, we are here, the membership here only say around 20 plus. But these 20 Rotarians of the Jowai Rotary Club, they are the friends of 1.2 million. 1.2 million Rotarians across the globe.